Without safety, what could happen?
Don't worry, Bodor won't let any of this happen. From day one, we put safety first. Our machines features an omnidirectional visual perspection system, like a 24-hour guardian that monitors operations in real time, issues automatic warnings, and helps prevent accidental collisions. This Bodor machine is like a safety fortress. A fully enclosed crossbeam and safety-like curtains provide layered protection, so you can operate with peace of mind. Our equipment is internationally certified, including CE, ATL, CUS, and ACA. This is not only a recognition of quality, but also safeguard for your safety. Safety reminders are everywhere. Clear labels like safety guardians help every operator stay alert at all times. Safety is not only about protection, it's also about caring for the environment. Our exhaust and dust removal system effectively reduces the impact of dust on people and the environment, making the production environment cleaner and safer. Before every customer operates the machine, we provide professional safety training. True safety doesn't come just from machines, it also comes from people. Safety isn't just a standard, it's an everyday safeguard.
Bodor, dare to dream.